Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Welcome today, everyone. Welcome. In today's newspaper, the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, August the 31st, September the 1st, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. Look, 31st, two regular puzzles. First one is the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars. I will solve this in a minute. And for tomorrow evening, the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, Samurai Sudoku. It will take me more than an hour to solve. And the goal is to solve this within an hour. Well, in this weekend edition, we have first the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last one is the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening, not now. Tomorrow afternoon, we have an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku with 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening, the Samurai Sudoku. This evening, 4 puzzles in this puzzle page. Now I will do this Medium Sudoku. This will be number 9183. 9183. All right. Before I start, I always count and print the digits. 26. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is this a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Which number can I pick? Let me see. Well. How about 3 in this column? 3 in the last column, 3 in the column, in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this third row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 8, okay. But the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then cannot continue with 1. Right. How about the number? The number 6. Come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Yeah, I'm thinking 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this row. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. No, need to use the other pencil. The 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Shoot it down. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 5. 5, 5. Well, how about the number 9 here? 9 there, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in one of those boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then then 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, middle row. No 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. One of these missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 9. Let me mark those. 1 box left now in the first column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. Then, let me see. Come on. Need 8 there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Now, 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column. The only place level 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. Okay, that means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. Oh, no. We have 3 missing numbers. 8 in one of these 3 boxes. In this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between the only place left the 4, a should be there. Then 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, only place left the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in the last column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last row. 2 in that row. So the row between the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 in the second row, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 supposed to be there. Then let me see. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, now need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. How about the 3? No. 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. No 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Alright, then the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column, the 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers. The 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Not a 3, not a 2, not a... It should be a 1 here. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.